In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use formulas in Smartsheet. Let's get started by opening Smartsheet and heading into the specific sheet where you want to add formulas. Once your sheet is open, click the exact cell where you want the result to appear. Before you type anything, make sure the column type supports formulas. In Smartsheet, formulas work best in text number, date, or similar calculation-friendly columns. If the column is something like a checkbox or a contact list, your results may not behave as expected. Now, to start a formula, simply type an equal sign. That equal sign tells Smartsheet, I'm about to calculate something. From here, you can enter a basic formula. For example, you might sum values across one row using your column names and row number like this. Equals, then the function name, and then your columns in brackets with the row you're working on. A quick example could look like sum, budget 1, actual, where budget and actual are your column names and 1 is the row. Press enter to apply the formula and you should see your result immediately. A key best practice in Smartsheet is referencing columns using square brackets around the column name. This is especially important if your column name has spaces. Pair that with row numbers to define a range or a single cell. Setting references this way helps keep your formulas dynamic, so when you copy them, they adapt to the right rows. By the way, if you need Smartsheet, I've placed the main website link at the very top of the description. And if you prefer using the app, you'll also find the download link right there for quick access. If you want to apply the same logic to other rows, right-click the cell with your formula, choose Copy, select the destination cells, and paste. As you paste the formula down, Smartsheet will adjust the row references automatically, so each row calculates its own values based on the same structure. If something doesn't look right, check for an error message in the cell. The most common culprits are typos in column names, missing brackets, or a range that doesn't exist. Verify the column names exactly as they appear in your sheet, confirm the row numbers you're referencing, and correct any small mistakes. Once fixed, the cell should recalculate right away. Formulas in Smartsheet help automate calculations and keep your data accurate without manual updates. With just a few careful references and consistent column names, you'll save time and reduce errors across your entire sheet. Thanks for watching.